Hello everyone. Look at the screen. This is a person. This is a person. Their eyebrows are down and their fists are clenched. Their eyebrows are down and their fists are clenched. How do they feel? This person is angry. This person feels angry. Let's look at the next person. Their eyes are big. Their eyes are big. And they are sweating. Sweating. Their eyes are big and they are sweating. How does this person feel? This person is scared. This person feels scared. Let's look at the next person. This person is also sweating. This person is sweating. This person is outside in the sun. This person is outside in the sun. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. How does this person feel? This person feels hot. This person is hot. Let's look at the next person. This person is outside in the wind and snow. This person is outside in the wind and snow. Snow is cold. Snow is very cold. How does this person feel? This person is cold. This person feels cold. Let's look at the next person. This person is smiling. This person is smiling. How does this person feel? This person is happy. This person is happy. Let's look at the next person. This person has tears in their eyes. They are crying. They are crying. How does this person feel? This person is sad. They are sad. Let's look at the last person. Their eyes are big and their mouth is open. Their eyes are big and their mouth is open. How do they feel? This person is surprised. This person feels surprised. Okay, everyone, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.